like how instantly it's like, dude, is that a cougar or a bear? No, it's a deer. You can see I can see its ears and nose, and oh, there's some more bedded there. See that? Just get up. Yeah. No. He's so confused. Good morning, guys. It's about 5:45, opening morning. Idaho Elk, public land, October 10th. Went through some gnarly stuff to get down in here. Got set up and just waiting for the sun to come up. Dougie Fresh is up in a different spot. A ton of elk sign in here. We've been in here before, and we seem to stumble upon elk. Just whether or not we can get a shot because it's so thick, and also, is it just cows or is there a bull? I'm not proud. I will shoot a spike. I'm about filling that freezer, so I'm gonna focus on killing, not on filming, but I'll do what I can to try to capture for you guys. Wish us luck. Ball down, baby. Oh, just Kyle the spike in. Sure, he's going down. Yeah, he's done. Dude, how sweet is that?
It's not even 9 o'clock.
I think it's 9 o'clock on the dot.
Yeah.
I just took my long johns off.
Yeah.
Yeah, so like all morning, I've had freaking elk all over.
Yeah.
Like, that, I mean, that cow came busting down here, cow and some elk here. There was another, and so I think I heard him. I heard something else over there, just like all over. And so, like, I waited, because I was sitting there and I was listening, and I heard something kind of coming down through the timber over there. And I was like, I bet it's probably going to come down here in bed, because remember the other day we busted him out?
Yeah.
And
And I was checking the wind. Wind was going down. Wind was going down. And then I checked, and all of a sudden it's coming up. So I was like, okay, cow call. And then I hear a noise. And then I hear a little or something like that. The cow call again. And sure enough, dude, it just starts coming up on a string. And I was basically standing right here. He's right past that tree.
That dead thing?
So basically, I was standing here. So there's that pine right there. And his hooves are right behind that. He just rolled over. So he was coming up behind that. I waited for him to get out to the side. And just freaking right here.
You were
and just
tipped
over. Yeah, just standing. Same thing as that freaking last one I shot. It was like down in the stuff. I called it. You know, that one kind of came running down and up. This one I heard. I knew something was down there. Waited for the wind to get right and then just called. Crazy morning.
Question of the day. Do we four-wheeler this thing out, or like do you think we could yank it up to the road?
I don't know, dude. I don't know. I don't know that we can yank it up to the road.
Gut it, and I bet.
But I don't like. How do you think we could get a four-wheeler here?
Let's just pack them out and quarter them out.
Because I did the spike from the spot in 3 trips. He's not down as far as mine was.
Yeah.
So like coming out is gonna be a lot easier. But I almost wonder if we, yeah, I don't know. I feel like we just need to get it cut up, quartered up. There's no way we're gonna be able to do it whole.
Yeah.
To get it up here.
Okay. That suppressor is. It is. I knew it had to be you, but I couldn't tell if it was coming from this side of the hill, that side of the hill, down there. You know.
Yeah. Well, and you know how it is with adrenaline, but like just no recoil or anything.
Yeah.
That's just so crazy.
So what'd you have it dialed to?
200. Like, I mean, I had it all the way down.
Yeah.
There was a couple of times where I had it up because I ranged all this stuff, and that was anywhere from 300 to 375.
Yeah.
And I was hearing stuff over there, so once or twice I had it dialed up. Split on that one side. Sweet. October 10. Bingo bango.
Just hold him, or
Well,
make sure he's upright.
Yeah, because I just want to be able to get him around here. So steep right here. Like if we could get him here, that's kind of what I'm thinking. What do you think?
And that tree will kind of block him from rolling.
Oh God. Actually, if you could flip over, if we could roll him over, so like you grab these legs here.
Yeah.
So if we can roll him over, so they're kind of like straddling that tree. One up, calling him in. Oh God, I can't really pull him this way, so we're just gonna flip this tree over. Like that. That's perfect. Nice.
I'm making plays, y'all know where to find me, you be looking center stage 24/7, we ain't never taking breaks. Got a lot to learn, think you better know the game. Y'all with the match, finally got the belt, now I think I'll give it back. At 24/7 grind, put me on the map. I think you probably should try to study how I move, that's a fact. Yeah, y'all lit the match, I got the belt, now I ain't gon' give it back. Yeah, y'all lit the match. I got the belt and I ain't gon' give it back. Yeah, I'm making play. And I can do this all day. You know I've been making plays. Yeah, I'm making plays. And I can do this all day. You know I've been making plays. To the bank, yeah, they call me Showtime, y'all know who to thank. Got the pressure on, gotta do this real big, no thing. I'ma get the dub, what do y'all think? Yeah, I'm making plays, y'all know where to find me, you be looking center stage 24/7, we ain't never taking breaks. Got a lot to learn, think you better know the game, cause I've been making plays. Yeah, I'm making plays. And I can do this all day, you know I'm I've been making plays. You better know the game. I'm making plays. And I can do this all day. You know I've been making plays. I'm making plays. And I can do this all day. You know I've been making plays. This is our time. You already know. I ain't gotta tell them why. Get your hands to the sky. Get your hands to the sky. Yeah. Ain't no glory for the faint of heart. We all stars, win or lose, we don't play the part. And when the going getting tough, I get to going hard. You bring your best and you know I'ma tear them apart. We been in survival, rival. I ain't got no time for anyone who ain't put in the work that I do. You ain't heard about it, think I'm gonna remind you. I've been out here doing what I say, it's what defines you. This is our time, hands to the sky. You already know, I ain't gotta tell them why. Hands to the sky, this is our time. You already know, I ain't gotta tell them why.